video, how to create and edit text using a text editor will be explained. What is a text editor? A text editor is a program that can be used to prepare simple notes and documents. Different operating systems have different types of text editors having varied functions. Step-by-step process for editing text in the text editor is explained in this video. In order to edit the text editor, it should be opened first. To open the text editor application, search for the application on the desktop and double-click on it. A new blank document will be opened. In case if the text editor does not appear on the desktop, it can be opened by clicking on Search Your Computer icon. Click on the icon and type Text Editor in the search box. The application will be displayed. Double-click on the application to open it. In order to open a new blank document from the text editor application itself, click on File menu and click New. A new blank document will be opened. To type text in the text editor, keyboard can be used. By pressing the alphabet and number keys on the keyboard, text can be entered in the text editor. As and when the character keys are pressed, the characters appears on the screen. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line. By pressing the enter key, characters can be typed on the next line, like this. Some keys on the keyboard have two markings, one on top left corner of the key and one on the center of the key. When these keys are pressed, by default, the characters that are marked on the center of the key will be typed. In order to type the characters that are marked on the top left corner of the screen, press Shift key. By holding the Shift key and then typing these keys, the characters that are marked on the top left corner of the key can be typed. If the alphabets need to be typed in capital letters, that is in uppercase, then caps lock key has to be pressed once. Once the caps lock key is pressed, a green color light will appear on the key. It indicates that caps lock is on. Now, if the text is typed, the characters will be typed in capital letters. To switch off the caps lock, press the caps lock key again. The light on the caps lock key will be off. This indicates that the characters that are typed will be typed in small letters. Shift keys can also be used for typing in capital letters. By pressing the Shift key and holding it and then typing the alphabets will make the alphabets type in capital letters. The spacebar key, which is the longest key on the keyboard, is used to give space between two words. Whenever a space is required between two words, spacebar key has to be pressed. Backspace key is used to delete one character to the left of the cursor. Every time the backspace key is pressed, one character to the left of the cursor will be deleted. DEL or delete key is used to delete the text to the right side of the cursor. Every time the delete key is pressed, one character to the right side of the cursor will be deleted. This is how text editor can be created and text can be edited in text editor application.